now tuned into Yesteryear's Courtney, a Mount Cullane production on the Tobago Festivals Network.
Esme?
Yes, ma?
Esme, come clean up this place here. Them two boys are come with them parents, and they go soon meet the yard here.
And when you're done, sit down on the sofa there and be stupid. Unless I talk to you. You hear?
Yes, pa.
Same train carry me mother, same train. Same train carry me mother, same train. Same train carry me mother, same train carry me mother. Same train come back tomorrow, same train. Same train carry me brother, same train.
Mark, it's time. When you meet up there, make sure you take out the letter. Take out the little banana we get there. And we have to make sure they know it come from your garden, you know. The goat, not forget that goat. All I'm good now they get we. Answer up brave. Remember, you have to be your husband, you know.
Oh, family. Like I go walk?
Not really, you know. But carry Mark up at Desmond.
Oh, yeah. Man, like you well load up. Banana, goat, everything I have up there.
Well, you know he does work in garden. I'll get a little of everything. But make a little present now.
Well, I wish I you good luck. Where you a go, Desmond?
Where me a go? Belly's where mean where me a go. So you don't know me boy a courting to Bakari data, eh? You know you're a player, you don't know. And we a go up by Bakari free data.
Good heavens! Are you go quick? Me just gone up there with the worthless boy Mark for the same girl. Get to a bunch of flux banana and one half dead goat to haul behind them.
Good evening, Mr. Caddy and Theo.
Oh, good evening. What me? Are you coming now? The dog now bite?
The dog now bite? I know Titi get him out there.
What you come about?
Well, me not like for beat round the bush. Me come here straight, me get to the point. Me son see your daughter, and they like each other. For a long time now that I go on. And me think me have to do the right thing. So me bring them for meet with you.
All right. Esmeralda?
Yes, pa.
Come out here.
I come in.
Because this decision concerns you. And we want you to come and hear and be a part of it.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Pa, already.
Okay, then. Let me proceed.
Wait a little bit. Before we move on, me get a little present for you, a little gift. Me want to say this is only part of Mark garden, you know. He does work with his own hand. He have a major garden there down at Old Jack.
Garden? Good, hard-working boy.
And you know, that not all. That's only part. He get a boat and oars to almost one little farm all by himself.
Ambition.
But I telling you.
Like how you get company? I wonder who come there now.
Theo boy, the time reach. You just take your time and speak proper language where learn a foreign. Be the man that foreign make you. Okay, Pa, I'll do that. A pleasant good evening to all.
Good evening, good evening.
Bakari, And Theo tell, you may come to with me boy. You see there, Theo follows. Theo, as you know, I'm his son. And the fifth to last out of me 24 pitney them. His mother passed away when he just pitney, 6 years. Me struggle with him. Me send him a foreign. He go study hard. He learn all kind of thing. He learn engineering. He come out successful and good. He come back home now. He say he want to get what family and he want to settle down. He see your daughter. He say he like she and me come here with him to ask for she and in marriage. Me no know how you feel about that.
Well, Desmond, he couldn't make himself clearer. Theo make himself a man. And I think he gonna be a good husband for Esme.
But I hope he could handle the task that is at hand.
This episode was brought to you by the Tobago Festivals Commission Limited and sponsored by the Tobago House of Assembly.